Court takeover was not the bill getting all the attention today at the state capitol. Today's focus is on House Bill 481, or the heartbeat bill. A committee hearing is going on now into its third hour. CBS 46's Vince Sims is live at the Capitol, where a lot of people are watching this one, and a huge crowd behind you, Vince.
Yes, it is, because a lot of people interested in this one, and the committee room is being held in is rather small, so many people have to just stand outside. I'm just going to step out of the way, show you a little bit of it here. You can see a number of people standing outside, and they've had to have them stop clapping because they're right now doing the opposition testimony inside, and people outside, all these people are mainly opposing it as well, so they would clap, making it too loud to hear inside the room, so they've asked them now to stop. So now they're snapping like you would see at a poetry reading or something. But let's take you inside the hearing to show you inside there. The room was also packed inside with people. Capitol Police several times had to tell people to back up from the door so they could actually let folks in one at a time. Now, Senator Renee Unterman, who is chair of the committee, said she was going to allow presentation and questions on the bill. Then she would allow an hour each side for testimony for and against the bill. Now, this bill would make an abortion illegal after a doctor detects a heartbeat of a fetus. That's usually after 6 weeks. Here's some of today's testimony and comments.
So in every other context in life, we recognize legally and scientifically a person's alive if they have a beating heart. Why would we treat it differently in the womb? This bill simply recognizes what science tells us. This bill simply recognizes what laws told us since the late 1970s and early 1980s, that a beating heart represents life.
I perform an abortion because I don't get a heartbeat at 8 weeks, 9 weeks. But then, I messed up. What do we do then? I mean, is that physician then going to be subject to any kind of criminal liability?
All right, now you're looking back live out at the hallway there. There goes another one of the Handmaid's Tales walking through in the white habit and the red coat that they have there. Now, the chair of the committee did say early on that she is not going to have a vote on this issue today. They'll do that at a later time, but she is going to let the testimony go as long as need be, hour for each side. But then she also left it open for the senators to be able to ask some more questions of the representative that's sponsoring this bill, so it could go even longer. That's the very latest here at the state capitol. I'm Vince Sims, CBS 46 News.